Hi everyone, this is Aman B from LearnPPCwithme and welcome to the second episode of Google Ads. Now in the last video, we saw that what is the need of running Google Ads when we as business owners, brands, product or a service have an option of listing our product or our website on Google through SEO, that is organically. But because SEO is a time consuming process, and obviously as business owners we wouldn't want to wait for months to be able to, for a user to start discovering us on Google and then going to the website and taking a purchase decision. We would want to speeden this up, and to speeden it up, that is, I've launched my business today and I'm ready to sell. I want my business to be up and about in the let's say next 24 to 48 hours. Then Google Ads is your go-to platform. Moreover, once you've learned how to run ads on Google, it will not even take you more than an hour or 2 hours. And the rest of the time is taken, let's say, by the Google Ads tool. Why? Because once you've created your campaign or your ads, then your ads go under review. So the review process might take another 2 to 3 hours, but then in totality, it's a process of only 5 to 6 hours. Alright. So now in this video, we will see how do we create an account on Google Ads without giving our billing details. So now this is a matter of concern for a lot of my students. So when they go to Google Ads, the first thing that happens is that sometimes they are redirected to an Express account. What that is, I'll cover in a bit. And then they can't proceed ahead unless they don't give their billing details. So now let's see how can you create an account on Google Ads without submitting your billing details. So let me just open the tool of Google Ads. Okay, so the website that you need to go to is ads.google.com. Now once you're here, let me just move this here. Now once you're here, what you need to do is just sign in, and you need to sign in using your existing Gmail credentials. A lot of us already have Gmail credentials, but let's say you're someone who still has an ID on Yahoo or Hotmail, then make sure that you create an email ID on Gmail, and then you come here and log in using your existing credentials. So I've already logged in, and now if I want to create a new account, I will simply go to new Google Ads account, but I want to create one using my professional ID. So I will just switch my Google account, select the ID that I want to use to create a Google Ads account. I'm just waiting for this to load. And now if you notice, I already have a lot of accounts. Some of these I've created, then there are some which I have access to through my clients or my students account. So I will just go here and click on plus new Google Ads account. Now if you notice here in the URL, it says Express. So what happens is that when you're creating a new Google Ads account, Google by default will redirect you to an Express account. Now Express account is for amateurs or people who do not understand how this tool works in and out. But because over the period of time, we'll be discussing all the features, everything in and out in detail. So what we are going to do is we'll scroll down, and if you notice, there's an option over here which says switch to expert mode. Alright, so once you're logged in, just scroll down and you will find this option over here which says switch to expert mode. Just click on it, and once you've done this, you will start seeing objectives here. Yeah, so these are the different objectives. Again, scroll down and you will see a hyperlink here which says create an account without a campaign. So just click on this hyperlink, and now just check your billing information, your billing country, your time zone and your currency. Okay, I'm assuming that a lot of you are going to be agency owners. So let's say you're an agency which is based out of India. Okay, but let's say you have a client from the US. So now if your client is going to be fully involved in managing this or auditing this Google Ads campaign, in that case, make sure that the billing country is there, that is US. You select their time zone and you select their currency. Okay, so currency has to be from your client's country. If they're from US, it has to be US dollar. If they're from Canada, it has to be CAD. Time zone depends. Again, you can mutually decide with your client. If the target audience is in US, it's best that you select US time zone. But if you think it will be convenient for you to select India's time zone, you can. But please understand that when we create a campaign and we're actually selecting time, then you'll always have to think, acha, what is US 9 a.m. to 6 p.m. in India. So then you'll have to do all those calculations. So best is that you select all these options with respect to where your target audience is based out of or where your client is based out of. Okay, now we click on submit. Okay, and we are all done. And now just click on explore your account. And we have our Google Ads account. We've created it without submitting our billing details. The reason you can create this sort of an account with me so that you're able to practice it properly with me. So even if you've created a lot of dummy campaigns, alongside my videos, so now you don't have anything to worry about. Why? Because your campaigns won't run. Why? Because you haven't submitted any of your billing details here. So it's good for practice. But obviously, now that you have your account here, you want to start running ads, then you can always go to tools and settings, go to billing and add your billing details from here. So this is also something that we'll take up in one of the videos. But for now, this is how you create a Google Ads account without giving your billing details. Hope this helped you out. And if you like the video, make sure that you like it. Please subscribe to my channel. I'm new here. And also tap on the bell icon so you'll be notified every time I publish a new video. And also leave in the comment section whatever topics that you want me to discuss about or probably discuss in detail. Thank you.